Hey, it's Jeff Canny with Branded Agent University. So this client that I'm going to show you here in a minute is one that we really enjoyed working with. We did everything from the bottom up. So we started from scratch, in this case, created the logo and then everything beyond that. So I'm going to show you what their branding looks like. I'm really excited for the growth that they have ahead of them. They're going to use the system in a couple different ways, not to just train and onboard, but also as a way to deliver value up front to their audience and build some goodwill, track consumption, and prioritize where they want to focus their efforts and who they want to focus their efforts on based on those people that are engaging with the brand, and in particular the learning portal that we create. But I think that their page, their branding, everything looks fantastic. So credit to them for giving us great feedback along the way. And let's take a look and see what it looks like. All right. So first off, like I said, we started from scratch on this particular project. And we came up with the logo and the color scheme and everything. So for me, I just really like that logo, Prosperity Partners. I also love the name. It's inclusive, right? It talks about the outcome that we're trying to create, which is prosperity. And so I really like the way that that all turned out. That hero section at the top looks fantastic. You know, to me, it feels like a high-end brand. So prosperity kind of goes along with that. And here we're just, like I usually say, we're trying to articulate where the value is in being a partner with Prosperity Partners in this case. So we talk about the community, the culture, the core values, the brand promise, the path that we have to help whoever the audience is succeed. You know, and in this case, we're always conscious of the fact that the audience here aren't home buyers or home sellers. In this case, with Prosperity Partners, you know, the audience that they are wanting to visit this page are other agents or those newly licensed looking for an opportunity, you know, those that aren't happy where they're at looking for other opportunities. So again, community, culture, core values. This section here we added so you have an opportunity to download the Prosperity Partners Clarity Report, which is a great way for you to expand your list and get people, you know, into your database so that you can trigger some follow-up campaigns. Here, in exchange for somebody's email address, we're going to deliver them that clarity report that we can use as an exercise for new agents. If they join the team, it's a great tool so that you know a little bit about the goals for those people that are joining you. And also we can use it as a way to deliver value up front, establish credibility, build goodwill, and get people into our database that we can follow up with. Going back to, again, what we call as authority page, going back over here as we scroll through, you notice we have this chat bot created for Prosperity Partners and Joe. So I can easily right here take the call to action of speak to a Prosperity Partner, and I can click there and it would start to try to call Joe. And also by default, the way we have it set up is that if somebody hasn't already minimized this within the last hour, then after 7 seconds of somebody visiting the page, that thing automatically expands. And we have the opportunity to capture a little bit about their current situation. So what we're asking is, are you looking to get your real estate license? Are you deciding who you want to join? Or are you looking for a new opportunity? And we can customize that to ask whatever we might want, right? But here we have an opportunity for them to engage with us right away. As we scroll through the rest of this page, here's a section where we list the core values for Prosperity Partners. That looks awesome. Here we're shining a spotlight on the technology that they offer if you're part of Prosperity Partners, so you can get onboarded and get trained in a platform that makes it easy and fun and effective. As we scroll through here, we talk a little bit more about everything that you get. So technology that's at the top of the industry, fast, effective onboarding that helps you get off to a fast start, a leaderboard inside of your learning portal to track progress, continue the motivation behind training. Everything is accessible on your desktop, tablet, mobile, whatever. If we click partner with us in any one of these sections, Prosperity Partners is going to get a little bit of information about me where I'm at in my business, 0 to 5 transactions, or am I a rock star with 50 plus transactions? So anytime I click that, no matter where I click it, it's going to display that pop-up. And then as we get down here towards the bottom, the last sections here are, in this case, actually, we did a few things different. So I'm glad that I scrolled here. So after this, where I clicked on that, if we kept continuing, we see we're showcasing the partnership with NAEA, the National Association of Expert Advisors, one of the top real estate coaching and training companies in the country. And because of that, anybody who's part of Prosperity Partners gets to take advantage of that NAEA training. And so we created the mock-up here of these courses, and you can actually take a sneak peek of what the units look like there. But that looks fantastic. And then we added also a link to the company he works with in his market to get people, and you know, they know they do it nationwide too, but this is who he uses when he needs to recommend a place for somebody to go get their license. So we added that. On the page there, there's a connect section that you'll notice we normally add, so I can easily connect with Prosperity Partners through those channels, and I can book an appointment here if I need to. So this just looks great. I love the gold and the gray, and I love the high-end quality of it. We came up with the logo from scratch once we got clear on the name of the brand and the core values and you know what all that we wanted to represent. Working with them, they did it. We just did the building, just like we can do for you. So if you've got something that's in your head, and while we do work with a lot of people who already have, you know, a logo and they already have some of the branding pieces done, if you don't, then that's one of the areas that you can lean on us, and we can become part of your team to make sure that that gets done. So if that makes sense, click the thing you see on here to schedule a call, and we'll talk about what it would look like for you.